Agent dashboard, we will know about next section, which is a script section. So the purpose of this script section is to provide a structured guide for the agent during call. It will be used as a predefined script. Script will be used by agent at the beginning of the call or at the closing time of call as well. Whenever your agent will get a call, then some script will be present here for guide to agent during that call. This script will some by default or can be created in user panel, and after creating this phone script in user panel, that script will be uh, mapped in any campaign and can be used by agent, will be mapped in that campaign or in that IVR. So the next is this save the CRM data button. This save the CRM data button will be used as if there are any missing fields mapping at the time of upload leads, then at the time of call, agent can add new fields during the call and can click on this save the CRM button, and after clicking on this save the CRM data, that data will be saved. That lead data will be saved. Now the next one is this lead list. By clicking on this lead list, your agent can access a list of call queues, a call logs. This is for coming soon. Currently, it is not working. And for missed call also, this is also for coming soon. Currently, it is not working. So the next after that, the next one is this comment section, which will allow agent to record notes or any important information during call. Now we will know about this. This is the profile section. Here the name of the agent will be present, and by clicking on this, a list of all modules will be present, such as dialer, call log, agent. Agent module is present in supervisor agent profile only. In normal agent profile, this agent module will not be present. Next will be report, then this mail, this is for coming soon. Next one, this calendar module, this is also for coming soon. Next one is this my profile, where user profile will be present, agent profile will be present. And the next one is logout. By clicking on the logout, agent will be sign out from this agent panel. Now that's all for the agent dashboard.